www.gibsontruckworld.com 2005 Chevy Silverado 3500 LS leather crew cab long bed 4-wheel drive with only 37k miles, 1-year bumper-to-bumper warranty. Riding on $1,000 of 4 brand new 285 Nittos, $950 to no cover, $300 Pioneer CD MP3 player, power leather seating, steering wheel controls, towing package, power windows, power mirrors and power door locks. Gibson is the only dealer that gives a real free 12-month bumper-to-bumper warranty valid across the United States. 12 months free maintenance from our 23-bay service department and our exclusive 15-day return policy. It sounds too good to be true, but it is true. We will pay you $1,000 if you find a better truck for less. Gibson Truck World is nations ahead of the competition. At Gibson Truck World, an educated consumer is